Good evening, it's 4 in the morning and I'm just installing my Ubuntu server in my Raspberry Pi. As you can see right here, it's still on hold, so I'm still waiting. As soon as it's done, I will work on the second part. Since I've already installed my Ubuntu server, I'm just gonna put my use body to open up my Raspberry Pi. So for for this, I'm opening using Ubuntu default username and password. So once it's done, I think it would probably ask me to reset my password, which it did. So for this, I'm just gonna like 1, 2, 3, 4. We are finally in the main command line of Ubuntu. So now I will start doing it, first updating my I have to update my Ubuntu first. So for that, sudo update. And I'll take a bit, so I'll just hold on till it gets done and I'll come back again. So after this, I'm working to get the sudo application get upgrade Y. It looks like it's both been upgraded and updated. So now we're gonna create a file in this. So we're going to, I'm sorry, I'm using my phone, but I have to pick my phone up and do this. So it's sudo nano sgauta 7 underscore lamp scdup dot py. Press enter, and I already have the codes and everything ready, so I'm just gonna copy paste it. And just Control X, save yes, and that's the name of the file. Let's go to 7 and set up py, and you got this. And now this I have to also give access to the lamp. So what I'm going to do is sudo chmod plus x and s autam golden underscore lamp lamp set setup dot py. Okay, I'm going to explain about the codes after this. Okay, so with this sudo cmod x, this will give access to permission to all of the files inside it. And now I'm gonna try to run the code. So it's dot slash sgauta golden 7 underscore sorry, amp setup dot py. Let's go down the setup.py, and I'm just gonna hit enter, and like you can see, it's working. So basically, at first it's gonna update and upgrade, which is already been done basically, but it's just gonna go through it again, just to be on safe side. And after that, it's gonna set up MySQL in this Raspberry Pi, and after that it starts installing its Apache 2 in Raspberry Pi as well. So you can already see it's working and unpacking all the packages. So it looks like it's almost done, and it's gonna go by step. So it's gonna take more time to install, I guess. So anyways, after this, Apache it installs PHP package as well, and I think it's still running, but it's kind of slow. Yeah, I just installed Apache right now. So after Apache, is gonna install the PHP package. I will explain the code after this. Everything is set up and it's ready to go. I think I've tried like so many times, like it's 4 in the morning, and I'm tired with this. But it was a fun project to work as well. It was a very fun project to work. It taught me a lot of stuff, and yeah. So the PHP pack has also been executed already. After that, I believe it's gonna work on installing the NetTools. It's the first time, so I think it's gonna take way more time than usual. So to install Apache, I believe the code for that is sudo apt install php lib library Apache 2 mode php and y. And yes, it's creating a configuration file for PHP with new versions on it, and now it's unpacking the new package, which is NetTools. And after that, it's it says 0 upgrade new installed, 0 to new 3 upgraded, and this, and it's starting the firewall. Rules updated, status updated, everything's bad. So I'm just gonna do this. Basically, I'm done with the project. I still could not figure out how the other CP and everything didn't work out, but this is how you do it. After this, I'm gonna explain about the codes and everything, but this is the whole video. I'm just gonna show everything executed perfectly, and that's about it. Thank you. So first, we updated and upgraded the sudo. After that, we installed the MySQL on Raspberry Pi with my database server, and we set up SQL on my Raspberry Pi, and after that we started to install Apache, and after that we started to install PHP on my Raspberry Pi. So this is all the codes, and I have set up the password as Raspberry as well, and I set up the host name as well. Changed my name to added new username Gautam. After that I created the command, and yeah, that's about it.